Hello, and welcome to Tru-Edge Grinding. I'm Mark Steimer. We're here to talk to you today about the services and products that we offer at Tru-Edge. At Tru-Edge, we look to simplify tooling. We offer precision tool regrinding services, which is how the company actually got started. We've grown into offering design and manufacturing of special tools from start to finish. We also offer in-house coating services so that we are able to provide a full, true, start to finish product to assist you in running your shop in metal removal operations. Let's talk a bit about really tool regrinding expertise. At Tru-Edge, we started really just grinding relatively simple tools, drills, some taps, end mills, and we continue to do that today. However, as we grew, as our technology and our capabilities with our associates grew, we now offer regrinding services to tools this long. This happens to be one that we also designed, manufactured, and provided to an automotive company. Here's another tool. What's this? This is a tool holder. However, it gets a replaceable reamer head. Everyone says these are not regrindable. I can tell you we regrind these tools with extremely good success. And at many times, I heard from our customers that they actually get longer tool life and better performance out of a Tru-Edge regrind as compared to a new tool from the manufacturer. Today, we offer a full line of indexable tool repair that's also been expanded into offering special design and build indexable tooling. We basically took the Tru-Edge model, regrinds, then developed into new tool design and manufacture, full service supply, and moved it into the aftermarket service of indexable tool repair. Let's talk a bit about the tool life cycle. As we talked earlier, we are a precision regrinding house. Whether you get the tools from us as a new design and manufacture tool, or the tool is coming from one of your preferred high performance suppliers already. We manufacture and we regrind those. We ship them to you. You put them in your tool crib, into your vending systems where you're providing the shop with a refurbished tool, giving 100% tool life. Those tools then move out into the production line or into your individual machinery. They are consumed, they're used, you machine your parts, you put them back into our blue box. We ship those back to Tru-Edge. In certain areas of the country, we're able to provide pickup and delivery service, and those tools come back and they're refurbished. The idea is to make it simple for you, the customer. Let us take on the hard work. Let us be the company that's able to provide a seamless, simple way for you to acquire, stock, use, and return tools to Tru-Edge. What is Tru-Edge Plus? It's the manufacture of special cutting tools. It's the manufacture of special indexable tools. It's the capability to regrind tools. It's the capability to repair indexable tools. It's the capability and technology of having our own in-house coating facilities. It's the real expertise of being able to offer engineered services. We not only offer competitive regrinding services, but we back them up with an engineering staff. When you look at being able to increase the speed, the cutting speeds, the feeds of your tools, you essentially decrease machine time, but increase throughput. When you can take a look at using a better designed tool, it is not unusual at all to see 30% reduction in production times that can lead to costs that are reduced by 10, 12, 15%. How do you engage with Tru-Edge? Great question. quotes at Tru-Edge.com. Go to our website. There are forms. There's capability to provide us with information so that we can react to your needs. Call us at Tru-Edge, 419-678-4991. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.